CSI is an IT managed services provider specialising in complex and regulated workloads. We give our clients the confidence and peace of mind that their underlying IT platforms will perform brilliantly around the clock.
Customers and businesses require more agility now than ever before. We support those customers well in traditional form over the last 37 years of being in business, and we've continued to evolve with all of the changes in IT and all of the systems and the way those customers need to deliver IT. So for us, digital transformation is another change in a customer and keeping them relevant to the markets they face. We've seen lots of change in IT. It's another change, but it is the most dramatic and most critical change for most customers in the last 30 years of their kind of IT environments.
We tend to focus on customers that want to move along with the times. We try and bring solutions to them that will allow them to do that.
At CSI, we see three forces that are creating the need for businesses to adopt technology to stay relevant and competitive: digital acceleration, disruption, and threat.
We serve a lot of traditional IT stacks on IBM platforms, and those platforms have been robust for decades. They are highly optimal and they're very secure and very performant. They don't suit cloud migration as well as some modern applications, and therefore in those instances we work very closely with key vendors like IBM on migrating complicated applications like SAP and financial services applications into a cloud environment that retains all the characteristics of a secure traditional kind of infrastructure set.
So 2020 has seen a real ramp up in cybersecurity kind of concerns amongst our clients and amongst ourselves actually. So we offer a whole range of solutions to help mitigate a lot of the risks that are associated with those.
So automation is very key to our customer base. It helps us be more efficient and deliver the outcomes that they're expecting. We use it internally and we try to make sure that our solutions include that, and we're extending that to our customers and their operations.
Using automation, we can track how an element of the application is running, see the health of it, and at the time it fails, we can use automation to spin up a different part of that resource, copy data in and bring that into the application. So again, minimizing downtime for a business. And all of this is happening in a matter of seconds. So there's no need to wait and there's no major outage or massive impact on the business.
We really focus in not just on the technologies but also the people and the processes. We like to look at each one of those individually to give the client the best possible options when it comes to cybersecurity.
As the world cares less and less about the specific IT and more about what IT can do, we take a technology-neutral, outcomes-biased approach.
I'd like to think that we're a safe pair of hands, yes. You know, the beauty of working with a company like this is that you know that if you turn to a particular member of staff that they're going to be at the top of their game. It's very important to make sure you keep your quality levels high because that's what customers demand these days.
Often the actual technology side of the business isn't the client's strongest point, that's not their core business. So we look at that, and there's so many options available today. Actually the complexity around solutions increases. Within CSI we are 24/7 operation and we offer those managed services just to make sure that the client can focus in on what they do best.
So as part of our program, what we use with our customers, we understand that what's your impact going to be at a global carbon emission standards. So we can help reduce that environment, again, using some of the technologies that we spoke about with automation and using infrastructure as a code. We can help spin things up and spin things down and hopefully get the customer's impact against carbon emissions down.
It means you get a strategic partner specialised in managing mission-critical workloads, drawing value from data, and defending your business against digital threats.
So CSI has many differentiators, but I think the core thing in talking to our customers, they enjoy the level of flexibility and partnership. You know, we tend to manage our customers on the relationship and the outcomes we create versus the contractual terms of these types of agreements.
I don't like to see us as a supplier of services, I like to see us as a partner. So when you're working in partnership and you have a really good relationship with your clients, I think you get the most out of it.
At CSI, our purpose is to deliver the agility and stability you need to grow, save, innovate, and protect.